If this video gets 500 likes, I will buy an intake for the Honda Civic. Yo guys, how y'all doing? It's November the 29th, which means holiday season is upon us, and I thought I'd treat myself and buy a LED interior light kit for my Civic, which we'll be installing in today's video. First off though, let's get out of this car park because it's a bloody maze. Here we go. Here's the exit. Is AMPR gonna pick me up? Thank you very much, sir. All right, we'll go around. Let's get out of this place first of all. So I'm sure some of you are aware that the 10th generation Civic, Honda Civic interior lights are horrendous. I mean, check this out. They're just halogen bulbs, standard halogen bulbs, and they don't emit any light at all. So that's why I've bought this LED interior light kit off Amazon for 25 quid, shipping included. What could possibly go wrong, right? Hopefully they're pretty reliable. If you haven't been following along on my YouTube page, I could actually post on the community section now. No idea why I couldn't post on there before, but YouTube has finally allowed me to have access to that. Apparently the threshold's 1,000 subscribers, but I have less than that. I have 982 as we speak. So guys, please subscribe. I never usually ask for this, but please do subscribe. I want to get to 1K before 25th of November. I'm actually doing a giveaway on my Instagram. Follow me on there. I'll pop it on, well, I'll pop my tag on the screen right now. If you're local to me, I've teamed up with a detailer. You can win a free car wash by him. Anyway, on the community post, I actually put up a poll of what my next car should be. There was 5 options, but I'll just list the top 3, and they were 14% voted for the 2023 Honda Civic Type R, so the 11th generation one, the upcoming Honda Civic Type R. 23% voted for the Toyota GR86, which is great. 1 more votes for that one. And then a whopping 50% voted for the Toyota GR Yaris. That's crazy. Now guys, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna totally write off the Civic Type R and the GR Yaris, because currently a 10th generation Civic Type R is going for 47 grand, a Boost Blue one. What on earth? And the GR Yaris, that's just about to top 40k. Like, what on earth? There's no point going for a GR Yaris. It's actually a very impractical car. Only 3 doors, no space in the back, no space for your rear passengers. I mean, there's no point really. Although I must admit, yeah, GR Yarises are rapid, and it comes in a manual, so can't complain. Also, if you want me to review your car, do let me know. Send me a email or DM on Instagram. Like a couple months ago when it was warm, I went down to, well, up to Newcastle, and a nice person called Jack let me review a Mini Clubman and Audi Q5. You could watch those videos if you click on that pop-up banner up there. And that was super cool, and it was super nice meeting the guy. So happy to do more of that if you guys are willing to, you know, let me review your cars even. People who own a 10th gen Civic, have you guys noticed your car being a little bit jerky on cold starts? Not too sure if it's just me. A few other people are saying the same thing. Turns back to normal after it's warmed up, but it's so annoying. Try demonstrate. Well, I can't demonstrate actually because the engine's warm now. I tell you what though, I absolutely hate the British winter weather. In the morning, your windscreen's completely frozen. Luckily, I've bought this windscreen cover, which I just whack on when I get home, and then I take it off in the morning, and my windscreen's not frosted up, unlike some. So save me about 15 minutes there. Do you recommend getting a windscreen cover? It does save a load of time in the morning. Right guys, it's been a couple days since the last clip that you saw, and the package for the LED lights have finally arrived. Here's the package it comes in, right here. You get about 6 LED lights that you can see, and also a prying tool. So since we're in the front, we may as well start with these lights right here. I think they might actually be the easiest ones to install as well. I believe all you have to do is just push this down and then stick your prying tool into this little cavity gap thing, stick it in, and then just push out like that, and bingo. After you've got this piece off, just turn the light off so you don't burn your fingers, as it does get quite hot. And all you want to do is just pull this out very easily. If it comes out, there we go, right there, like that. Whack it in your bag, well, the bag with the new LED lights, and then just swap it for a new light. And all you have to do with the new LED light, as you can see right here, is just slot it in the opposite way that you took out the halogen bulb, so it should just easily fit in. And before you put this cover back on, just test if the light works. Yeah, bingo, simple as that. And then to put this back in, it should just clip into its 4 places, I believe. There we go, done. Now let's do the other side. And then pop it in your bag, boom. Get the new one out. As you can see. So this is the light bit, and this is the bit you're putting in. It goes in just like that. Test if it works. Yeah, all done. And then slot this back in. Boom. Looks pretty nifty. So moving on to the sun visor light, and this is quite simple as well. All you have to do is grab your prying tool right here, slot that in into this little hole, and it should just pop out. And a little bit of force. There we go. And it's just come out like that. So there's 2 clips right here and 1 right here. Okay, now this is interesting. Now this LED light right here, I don't believe is going to match up with this. Yeah, bit of a problem. I guess this means the US spec cars are different to the European cars. No idea how this is going to work. Or actually it might be the bulb inside there that I have to replace. Is it? I'm not too sure. Right, might be worth getting out. As you can see, it's like a little tube. You know what? I think I'm going to pass on this. I don't think I could be arsed to replace these. I have no idea how it's going to work. So this is going to be a bit of a fail. We'll skip the sun visor mirror light. On to the next one. And so for the rear passenger's light, it pretty much works the same as the ones in the front. There should be 2 clips right here, so if you insert your prying tool right about here or so, it should just come out. Should just bing out, hopefully, he says. There we go. Quite simple. And there should be this little bulb right here. All you got to do is just flick it out. There we go. Right, and you want to insert this one into the same hole. Oh, that was easier. And check if it works. Doesn't work. Great. Maybe I put it the wrong way. Oh crap. Have I broke it? Ah, there we go. Does work. Great. And then you just want to put the cover back on. So as you can see, there's 2 clips right there and right there as well. Put it this way. Actually, no, this one. And then just yank it in, right? That's the theory. Maybe not. Get in there. There we go. All done. Right, now let's install the LED light for the rear boot. And to show you how easy this is, I'm gonna make one of my mates do it. So, Delal, do you wanna just come through?
Hey guys, I'm doing reviews channel here. It's your boy, Delal boy.
Tools are right there, bro.
What we're gonna do here is very, very simple.
Go on.
We're gonna change this from the warm yellow bulb into a nice white LED one. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3. So first, we have our light LED one. And then, very simply, you get this tool as well. I don't know what it's called, but it's a very handy tool. And see on this corner, all you need to do is just lightly just push and then lift out, and boom, it's already out. So if you want, you can just do it this way, keep it connected still, and then just pull the light bulb from here, which, ow, that was hot. Or, if you don't want to burn yourself and it's still on, there's a little trigger here where you just click that and it just comes right out. Obviously, maybe give that a minute to cool.
Is it hot?
Yeah, bro, that was hot. So scared. Burn my fingerprints, really? Man. Ain't got no fingerprints, man. I'm gonna start committing some crimes now. Take 2, part 2, part 2, take 1. Part 2, take 1. Alright,
go.
So now here we have a component that we just disconnected from here, as you can see. Yeah, that is. It's not
still hot.
No, it's not hot anymore. So you just lightly just pull it out, very nice and gentle. It'll slide right out. No worries, no need to stress about it. Okay, so this way, I think with this bit where you see this chip, this bit should be facing you when you're connecting it. And obviously this is just as easy as taking it out. There you go. Push it back in, and then as soon as you connect it, clicks in place. Oh, and I did it the wrong way. Part 2, take 2.
Oh, this is staying, man. Okay. This is staying.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's staying, bro. It's staying. This is part 1, take 1.
Dislike the video, and Armagon will send you a tenner.
No, go on.
For every dislike. Right, so part 2, take 2. Don't piss me off. Right, you need the glasses on.
Oh yeah.
Professional. Right, because I can't see shit. Right, so we have this and we have the new one. Just pop it in. Obviously trial and error, you just figure out. If you put it in one way it's not working, clearly it's the other way. So, click that back in place. There we go, you hit the click noise. And just the same way you took it out. Oh, slide it back in. There we go.
Boom.
Bob's your uncle.
Simple.
Actually, my uncle's Mehmet, but yeah, let's say Bob for now.
Anyway, that's the full install of the LED lights on the interior side of the Honda Civic. I'll catch up with you at night to see how it is. So it's been a couple hours, the time is now 5:42 and it's pitch black, and it's going to be my first time seeing the LED interior light. So I've got my key in my hand and I'm going to press the unlock button. Oh yes! That looks freaking mint, guys. Let me just check inside. Guys, check that out. That looks miles better than the old version. In the back as well, it's actually fully lit. You could pretty much see everything. Unfortunately, yeah, we couldn't install the sun visor mirror lights. Not a big deal. Who really cares about those anyway? No one checks them. And the boot as well. Now, this is probably gonna be the major part. The boot wasn't really that lit with the old halogen bulb. Now let's check with the new one. Oh yes, that's freaking mint. Look how much light there is. Yes, big fan of these lights. Hopefully they just keep working for the duration of the time that I keep this car for, and for the future owners, of course. Anyway, I'll let you guys have a closer look. Anyway, if this video gets 500 likes, I will buy an intake for the Honda Civic, because, you know, if the content's good for it, then why not? And also, since Delal, you helped out in the video, bro, I will buy you a LED interior light strip kit.
Don't need it, but appreciate it.
Yeah, for your BMW 1 Series.
How many likes?
500 by 31st of January next year. Do you reckon that's possible?
What? 2030?
500.
Yeah, by the year
31st.
2030. yeah, that's fair.
Alright, that is fair, alright.
By 2030, if he still hasn't bought me the LED strips, then he'll delete his channel.
Heard it here first.
Huh? Yeah, you heard it first.
There we go.
Alright, no worries.
Alright.
Like and subscribe. Peace.
Right over there. I also did review that car. Not a piece of life I reviewed. Wait.
What?
Wait. Bro, go on. Tell me all the things that were actually wrong with the game. What? Wait, hold on. First of all, we need to talk about what just happened at the mechanics.
The mechanic's trying to rip me off. So I already know what's wrong with the car.
Let's see.
Does
the fault come
professional
up?
mechanic and that.
Does the fault come up?
No, the fault. Look, we'll have a look. We'll have a look. It does say drivetrain. I don't know because the tyres are flat as well. So it might come up with that only.
What did it not come up?
Big man Willie.
No.
Well, I forgot what to check. Oh yeah. Vehicle status. Check control. Yeah.
Oh, it's just tyre pressure.
So the drivetrain is gone. It was there before, and it's gone. Yeah.
I'm guessing he resets it.
Yeah, something's been reset, and the guy, I already know what's wrong with it and the parts that do need to be put in, but as I bought my own parts, that's not very, it doesn't work in the favour of most mechanics because they can't make the extra, you know, the dollar off me. So obviously trying to find someone to put in the extra P's in, it's not good. So the guy's gone ahead and with some balls of steel told me that I need a new clutch. When it's completely
650 quid.
There's not 650 quid. Are you dizzy?
Right, now let's install the LED light for the boot. And to show you how easy it is, I'm gonna let one of my mates do it because why not? Because you're a penis.